Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'm going to help you learn how to log into your Outlook account on your desktop. Watch the video till the very end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. If you haven't yet, press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. Go to your web browser on your computer and type in Outlook. Live.com and enter to sign in. Click on the sign in button located at the top right side of the screen from the official websites of Microsoft Outlook. After you click it on, you'll be taken to the sign in page. Enter your email, phone number, or Skype account. Choose any one credential and type it in. After you're done, click on the next button and on the next page enter the password for your account. If you want to stay signed in, click on Keep Me Signed. In case you forgot the password, click Forgot Password link provided right below. There are other ways to sign into Outlook as well. Simply click on Other Ways to Sign In and you can choose from the options. After you're done entering your password, click on the Sign In button located at the bottom right and there you go. That is how you can log into your Outlook account on the desktop. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If it did help you, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or feedback for us, I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.